is Sade and I'm a teen librarian. This is going to be our first episode of Snack Attack. Our theme this time is going to be candy because June is National Candy Month. So we're going to be making cookie candy sandwiches. So we have some ingredients here. We have our Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies. You can get any type of hard chocolate chip cookie you want. Just make sure that it's not chewy or anything. M&Ms and mini Reese's Pieces, or you can do peanut butter cups too, which is what I have, and I cut them into 4s. Okay. You also have to use some saran wrap. And certainly last but not least, we have cookies and cream ice cream. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay your saran wrap down here. And you need your bottom part of your cookie. You're going to scoop some ice cream. You don't want it, you want it a little bit soft so it's easy to work with. You don't want it super duper hard. You're going to scoop some on there. Now, you can either put your Reese's Pieces or your M&Ms around and stick some peanut butter cups on there. So then, when you go to mash it down, everything's just kind of mushing together, and you're gonna fold it up in the saran wrap. You can freeze it for about 20 to 30 minutes, so it'll just molds together nicely. Okay?
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.